go out in the morning and they say, hello, Tony, how are you? But there are a lot of them around the place. What have we got for you later on today? Let's have a look and see, shall we? Well, OJ Borg is still sitting in for Dermot O'Leary, who's on a 3-week holiday. Wow, I wonder where he's gone. Nikki Chapman is sitting in for Claudia Winkleman, and that's at 10 o'clock. Picking the Pots with Paul Gabardine, the great Gabbo. Let's see what years we have for you. 1978 and 1999. So that's Paul Gabardine, the great Gabbo. I'm sure it's not a very good impersonation of it. That'll be Picking the Pots at 1 o'clock. Ryland on Saturday. The Naughties, boy band Blue, are joining in. Mandy Duncan and Simon co-host the first hour of the show. Lisa Tarbuck at 6. The Rock Show with Johnny Walker at 8 o'clock. Platinum Brits with Lisa Kershaw and Platinum Brits Love Songs and Debuts. And that's at 9:30. Craig Charles House Party at 10 o'clock. So a lot to look forward to. Still a bit more Motown, shall we? Can't get enough of it on a Saturday. 13 minutes past 7. Don't forget you're listening out for the Cockerel. When it crows, it'll be your choice. Be happening 16 minutes past 7 on a glorious Saturday morning. And of course, if you're listening on the wonderful BBC Sounds app at any time, nice to have you with us. The BBC Sounds app, so many of you I know listen to our show on that, and it's great, the Sounds app, because you can listen to a show whenever you want, can't you? That's the wonder about it. Dear Tony, it's Adrian from Chimford here, listening to your show as I walk my dog Dougal in Epping Forest. So I hope that you're having a lovely walk. And Dougal, woof. Simon in Amersham says, Tony, can you please apologise to my wife for me? She's mad at me because she says I never buy her flowers. To be fair, I didn't even know she sold them.
You can dance, every dance with the guy who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand and he propelled no light. But don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Oh I know, that the music's fine, like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun. Oh I know, laugh and sing. Yes, I know. But while we roll hard, don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch? I will never, never let you go. I love you oh so much. You can dance, go carry on until the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks, if you're all alone, can he take you home? You must tell him no. Cause don't forget who's taking you home and in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Say the last dance for me. Say the last dance for me.
Drifters, say the last dance for me, 19 minutes past
The
7.
last dance for me.
I was showing Tom McCrow, our producer, yesterday how I did the military two-step, which was when I was at Bournemouth Pavilion in the General Feeling Orchestra. We used to do tea dances, and we did the military two-step, which is the only dance actually I'm particularly good at, and it's quite easy to do. I must demonstrate it. I'll do it on a video, if I can remember, later on today or tomorrow, and I'll put it up on Twitter or Facebook and Instagram. But it's quite an easy dance to do. Let me see. We're going to go to Alan Smith now from Halton in Lancashire. Hi to you, Alan. He says, good morning, Tony. Would it be possible to give my wife Alison a mention? On the 26th of May, it was our 50 years since our first date. We listen to your show every week. We have now been married for 47 years. It was only when our parents met, they told us we actually met 67 years ago because we were born next to one another on not the same bed, but the bed next to one another in the hospital. I don't tell her often enough how much I love her, but I certainly do. That's a lovely story, actually. So you were born at the same time on a bed next, not on the same bed, obviously, but on a different. It's getting quite complicated, isn't it? But anyhow, congratulations. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to give, on your 47 years together, Alison, we're going to give you our Nelly Platinum medallion. We've got a limited amount of these to celebrate Majesty the Queen, and we've got a limited amount of Nelly Platinum medallions, and then we're going to go back to the Nelly Gold medallions. But you've got the Platinum one. Congratulations.